Hi everybody, welcome to WPHub, the one-stop WordPress site. If you're a WordPress lover like me, a newbie, or want to build a WordPress site or learn a few things, then this is the place for you. So I'm here to give you tips on themes, plugins to use, and other tools to manage your website so that it's smooth as butter. So what's amazing is that we'll be inviting designers, developers, theme creators who build their own plugins and WordPress themes. So you can be clued up to the latest when it comes to WordPress. Also, we have a community group. This is for questions and to connect with other creators when it comes to WordPress or anything related to it. So go check the link out in our description box. So a bit about me, I'm a content creator. I specialize in video editing, photography, and I dabble in a bit of writing there and there. So that's why this channel is created for beginners, so we can all go through this together. So that's it from me. If you've made it this far, show some love in the comments and check out our other videos. As I always say, I'll see you next time. Bye.